Hey everybody, Wyatt and I are here for today's video. Wyatt's extra sleepy because he just got back from the groomer, but he looks and he smells fantastic. Don't you? Yes, you do, because he didn't smell very good lately. He's got that wet dog smell because it's been raining for like the last 3 days, snowy, and Wyatt doesn't mind the rain, so he just goes out there and stays out there, don't you? Oh, he cracks me up. What are you doing? Show them your pretty bandana. The Christmas bandana. You got your Christmas grooming, right? It's got snowmen and Rudolph and Santa Claus on there. You're set for Christmas. So you want to tell everybody about today's video? Or are you just ready for your nap? I'm excited about today's video. So I have a new subscription to my channel today. Silver and Gold, which is a jewelry site, has a subscription now, and it's called the Jewelry Box. And I'm so excited because this is my first box. And one of the best things about this jewelry subscription, which isn't very expensive, it is a monthly subscription, your first box is free. Free. Yeah. So they have, once you sign up and subscribe, they curate a box for you. As I said, your first month is free. And then after that, you can pay by month. It's $29 a month, plus I believe it's $7.95 for shipping in the US, and I think it's $9.95 for shipping to Canada. If you buy it in 3 months, if you bought a 3-month subscription, it'd be $27 a month, and then it goes down from there up to, if you bought 12 months, it comes down to about $24 a month. And you get 3 pieces of jewelry, I believe. 3 pieces of jewelry with an $80 value, and this is not inexpensive jewelry. It is heirloom quality jewelry, is what I'm told, and it is made from pure silver and gold, and you can get rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces. So here inside, here's what the box looks like. Sorry, I'm reading. Here's what the box looks like right inside. And right inside it says, as an added bonus, an extra special gift from all of us. You can get 20% off any item online and use the gift code MyGift. So I'll share it with you guys. Hopefully it works for everybody. And it says, thank you for supporting this small business. So thank you for shopping. And let's check out my jewelry. So excited. Here's what little pouches. So I'm excited because this is supposed to be heirloom quality, high quality, precious metals, and I can't wait to see what it is. So first up is a necklace. And if you go to silverandgold.com and you want to get this subscription, because you can shop their site too, they have all kinds of beautiful jewelry. But if you want to shop their subscriptions, there's a little gift box up in the corner, and you just click on that little gift box and it'll show you all of their subscription options. And I will put the link, of course, down below for you. So check out this pretty necklace. It's a little gold heart with the little stones on it. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Such a nice, delicate, it's on a nice chain. It does have some extra room here at the top so you can adjust it somewhat. So pretty. I love that. Let me try this on. Okay, so I got the first item on. These are limited edition pieces. They are, they do manufacture their own jewelry. Here's what this necklace looks like close up. Isn't that pretty? I like how delicate it is. It is quality necklace, the chain, which is very nice. And I do like how the stones sparkle there. So I was able to get it on pretty easily. Very pretty. They say that every jewelry box will contain an array of high quality jewelry that is guaranteed to appraise for over $80 in value. So they manufacture in small batches so they can do that. So I want to make sure I actually said their wording. That's how they can say that it is an $80 value in each of your boxes that you pay no more than $29 a month for. But if you buy it in 3 months or more, then the price goes down. So it could be as low as $24 a month. So awesome. All right, let's get to the next piece of jewelry. Ooh, these are earrings. Check these out. They go with my outfit. These are little posts. And I like they even put these in individual bags. So one bag came inside the other. And look how pretty these little posts are. Little pearlies. Aren't those pretty? I like the tan color of those. Like a opalescent, almost like a pearly tannish blush. I almost want to say it's almost like towards the pinky side. Aren't those pretty? I'm seeing inside my box that I also got a little free gift as I'm putting this earring in. World's famous multi-sizer, a ring sizing gauge. Isn't that cool? Love that. You know how sometimes you're always wondering what size ring you want to get, and you're always like want to need a sizer for it, and I'm always trying to like print it out online and cut out the paper and try to wrap it around your finger and see the size. This is an actual ring sizer. The multi-sizer works like a belt. Simply push the end through the buckle and form a ring shape. Slip the multi-sizer onto your finger just to give it a comfortable fit. Check that it just slips back over the knuckle, and when best fit is achieved, read off the size, and it's indicated by the arrow. Is that not so cool? It tells you exactly what size you are. I love that. That is so awesome. I even got a little cleaning cloth as well. All right, so I have the first earring in. I'm not talking very well today, Wyatt. I'm so excited. I can't even get the words out appropriately. All right, so I did get a little card that tells me about what's inside my box. So while I'm getting this second earring in, I'm going to read it to you, read the pieces so far. So these are they're peachy. No wonder I thought they were a little bit on the pink side. These are peach freshwater pearl earrings, and the retail value of these are $21.99. And the heart necklace, which is 18 karat gold over silver, and the MSRP of that was $75. Aren't these pretty? I like those. So pretty. I like those. All right, and then the free gift ring sizer, they're just saying the MSRP of that is $3.50. And I have one more item in here. Ooh, these are earrings too. These are silver and gold flower earrings, and the MSRP of these is $98.99. Look how pretty these are. Aren't those pretty? $98.99. Wow. I love the use of the silver and gold with these. So this would put the entire set retail value at $199.48. And they put a note here, for future boxes, we do need to know your ring size as well as your bracelet size. So please email us those sizes so they know. So there you go. Must be because it's my first box. And that's why they sent me the little free ring sizer. Aren't those pretty? What do you think? I like both of these. These are such pretty pieces. What do you guys think? I think this is such an awesome curation of jewelry. And I understand that not everybody gets the exact same thing in their box. But the quality is always awesome. And there could be variances from box to box. Not everybody will get the exact same thing. So I will put all of this information down below for you because I think this is such a fun subscription. And then if you want to check out anything online, I'm going to put this code that's in my box as well in case it works for everybody, to get 20% off an item off their site as well. They have all kinds of fun jewelry. I was looking at their website and it does range from the delicate, such as what I got in this subscription box, or they have the dramatic as well, which is always fun to shop. And here's some pieces that have been in previous subscription boxes, just so you guys can see. So some fun, bright colors as well. And then they have a whole site for you to shop. So you don't have to do the subscriptions. You can always just shop their site. And they have a lot of really delicate pieces, as well as some pretty statement pieces. So here's just a few examples for you. I really think they're very pretty. It's a fun site to shop. I do like that it's a small business as well. So I like to support small businesses. I'm going to show you an example of some of the rings also. Very different types of rings. From, again, like the delicate to the statement. These are some really pretty ones. I'm really liking this one. I own something similar to that one. This is really pretty. So pretty. And then this is the little button I was talking about. You just click on that little tab right there. That'll take you right to the subscription options. And then you can buy them 1 month at a time, or you can get them in bigger bulks and then you pay less money. So in other words, if you were to buy a 12-month subscription, they're saying the savings is $156, and then it says free shipping. Okay, so if you do buy more than 1 month at a time, it does say free shipping. So if you even buy the 3 months, it says it's free shipping. If you buy it a month at a time, then there's shipping costs. Cool. And they do show you some examples of what were in previous subscription boxes as well, so you can get a sense of that if you wanted to check it out. So I had fun. I hope you guys did too. I always love a new subscription, and I love to bring new subscriptions to my channel so you guys can check them out, especially ones that have the first box for free. How fun is that? I will put the link down below to silverandgold.com so you guys can check out the subscription. Don't forget, just hit that little gift box at the top corner, and then you can see the subscription. You can also see what's been in past boxes, so you can see if you like it. I'll also put this code that I have for 20% off any item on their store if you wanted to use that as well. And thank you so much for spending time with me and my sidekick here. Oh, so much fun. I'll list these items down below that I got in my box. I hope you had fun. Please click that like button. Would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and show me some support. I could really use it. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me know what you thought. Comment below. Till next time, everyone, have an amazing day. This would be an awesome gift idea too, right? I don't know about you guys, but I am still trying to get ready for Christmas. I am so not ready. Ugh, there's not many days left. So this would be an awesome gift idea. All right, have an amazing day. Bye.